Hello everyone, this is the Natural Frontend channel. In this new series we will learn about PHP. So in this new series I will show you PHP from very basic to advanced step by step. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial and PHP. First I am going to tell you what is PHP. PHP is actually a hypertext preprocessor. This is actually a scripting language. A scripting language, it depends on any types of things or tools. For example, if you use the PHP or JavaScript, that means it is dependent on your web browser. That means it needs an environment to run the application. PHP developed to make the web development. This means that you can easily write the code in PHP to create any web application. The PHP is a server-side language. This means that when a user or client requests something for any task, it first goes from the browser to the server. Then, on the server, PHP handles the data, reads the input, and pushes the data if necessary. It takes the data from the database and then just show in the output, so PHP is used as a server-side language. Why should you learn PHP? It is easy to learn PHP because PHP is an open source language. It is very easy to learn and PHP is very beginner friendly. This means that if you are a beginner or a very beginner, you can easily learn PHP in a short period of time. PHP is a very powerful language, although it is easy to learn. You can create simple to complex website using the PHP. PHP also has an object-oriented feature that makes it more elegant and powerful. There are many frameworks of PHP. For example, Laravel, Symfony. PHP can also interact with third-party APIs. This means that if you are going to integrate any payment gateway into your SMS gateway, you can take the API from another source and easily implement it with PHP. PHP can connect to all databases. This usually means all the popular databases. For example, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, MongoDB. PHP uses the web servers. For example, Apache Web Server. What applications can you create with PHP? If you want to create a blog website, you can make it using PHP. If you want to make a learning management system or e-commerce application or any customer relationship management, CRM software, or social media platform or any other platform you can easily create using PHP. The most popular websites built using PHP. The listed websites were all created using PHP. This is not to say that all websites use only PHP for their development, but most of them use quite a few components. This means that a certain part of their applications are built with PHP. The skill requirements to learn PHP is basic HTML and CSS and JavaScript. If you have this knowledge, then you can easily learning into PHP. You can learn PHP without them, but when you want to create a web application, you need to have a template created by front-end programmers. So you should have basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Using Bootstrap can be a great help when creating websites, so it's worth learning this too.